3D modeling has completely changed. In the past, creating a 3D model required complex software and a lot of time, but I recently tested something amazing now. With just a single image, AI can generate a fully usable 3D model, even ready for 3D printing. What you're seeing here, LABUBU, was created using Hifer AI. It's super easy, just upload a reference image, and in a few minutes, a complete 3D model is ready. The results are stunning. Big eyes, exaggerated smile, body proportions, and ear shapes, all accurately captured and instantly recognizable. Once generated, you can export it right away. Whether you want to refine it, put it into a 3D scene, or send it to print, the workflow is smooth and beginner-friendly. What used to require buying models, learning software, and lots of trial and error can now be done much faster, thanks to AI. If you want to create LABUBU custom figures, blind boxes, collectibles, or quickly turn your favorite IP or OC characters into 3D, Hifer is definitely worth trying. I'll keep sharing more AI modeling projects. If you love seeing AI plus 3D come to life in real objects, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what character would you most like to see in 3D?